here from Mo Better Body. Keep watching, because I've got something for you.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So, there you were, just trying to get through your day. Then it happened. The bubble guts. You're not really sure what's going on, but you don't like it. Next thing you know, you got one end in the toilet and another in the trash can. And the only name you can seem to call is Earl, when you really want to be calling your mama. At this point, you do just about anything to stop that nasty, stinking, painful attack. Don't reach for that Pepto though, unless you just have a thing for pink toilet water. So what would I do? Take one of these and drink lots of this. Oh, that's not water, sweetie. This right here is what I call the 1-2 punch for the pukes and dukes. Probiotics and aloe vera juice. No joke. You don't want to mess around with just any old aloe vera juice. What you want to do is make sure the bottle says inner fillet. When it comes to probiotics, the best ones tend to be the ones with more bifidobacterium than lactobacterium. But in cases of emergency like this, pretty much any probiotic will do. What I would do is take one probiotic immediately along with 1/4 of a cup of aloe vera juice. And then I would take another 1/4 cup of aloe vera juice for the next 2 hours on the hour. In the meantime, what are you going to eat? Well, I would say give your system a little time just to chill out. Just the aloe vera juice for the next 2 hours. Then, if you like, eat some fruit. Most doctors suggest a brat diet for these situations. Bananas, rice, applesauce, and toast. I would omit the toast and rice. The apples and bananas are just fine. And if you want to add something more, you can add any other fruit you like, or try pureed vegetables made into a soup or add it to a smoothie. Sweeties, don't get it twisted. Probiotics and aloe vera juice are 2 things I keep on hand at all times, just in case. Go ahead and pick up some today, just in case there's a problem tomorrow. So that's all for now. Hopefully you guys put my tips to the test and let me know how it works for you. Sweets out.